Is your backyard ready for the hottest trend? Discover stunning fireplaces and fire pits from beyond backyard living. Fire pits and fireplaces are, one of the most desired home features. We offer endless possibilities to add a cozy focal point to your backyard. First, a custom outdoor fireplace. We create the perfect outdoor living room, from simple, elegant designs to elaborate models with a custom mantle, built-in wood boxes, and even a TV hookup. Next up, your dream fire pit. Your custom stone fire pit is just waiting for you. We offer both wood burning and gas options. And, there are even smart home features available for a truly modern design. And finally, your vision, your budget. We provide a clear budget and a frictionless experience from start to finish, so you always know exactly what to expect. Ready to add a little warmth to your family? We can totally make it happen. Ask us about our financing options and start your project today. If you want to see our fire pits and fireplaces in person, just come visit our showroom and let's bring your vision to life. 1092 Commercial Way, Spring Hill, Florida.